Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add text to pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint in mobile. So let's begin. As you can see, I have a blank slide over here, and in this blank slide I will add a picture by clicking here. Alright, so I have selected a picture. Now I will click finish. Now let's stretch this picture to fit our slide. Alright, so the picture has fit our slide now, but the picture is covering up our text. Now if we don't want our picture to cover up our text, we need to select the picture and then we need to select layers. From layers we are going to select send to back. Now this will send the image all the way to back, but the image is all the way back behind our background. So let's bring this forward by selecting bring forward. Now it's in front of the background, but it's behind the text. So as you can see, now the text is over my picture. So that's how you can add text to pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint in mobile. If you found this video helpful guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.